Hello YouTubers. Took a little bit of a break from the bunny project to work on a trailer that we're building. It's a built from scratch trailer that we're making up here, mostly out of the steel that we had left over from other projects. It's 4x8 plus a bit. So that means what we did here is the inside from there over to there, and then from here, or that's 4 feet, and then from here to the front way up there, that's 8 feet. So what that means is you could put sheets of drywall, sheets of plywood, anything that comes in sheets will be inside. We're going to put verticals here. I'll do another video when we're done, inside the rails. The tires were tires and rims that I bought for my boat. I didn't like them. They were too small because my boat's got a long motor on it. It hung too close to the ground. So I just set those aside. They've been hanging around for 3 years now. Set those aside to use them for a later date. So this gives you an idea of the trailer. Most of the structural here, the long ones are 2x3 by 1/8 wall. Cross members are 2x2 by 1/8. Tongue is 2x3. The front is 3x3 and the back is 3x3 only because that's what was laying around. And we ran out of 2x3. And this is a hybrid A-frame. I guess that's what they call it. So that's 2x3. This is 2x3. Class 2 ball hitch, which is a 2-inch ball. It'll have standard DOT lighting on it. I think we'll put a 1 foot wide rail around it. Tie rail. The deck is going to be a sheet of plywood that I rescued from the garbage. That'll be the deck. I'm going to put some more angle iron in there to support it. Axles are Rockwell American. And as well, so is the hanger bearing, or the axle hanger kits for and the springs. I can't remember what the springs were. I think they're 1750. I'd have to look them up. They're 3 leaves. It's just a small light utility trailer, so we didn't go crazy with the springs. They were a project from another trailer I built, a tandem single axle but tandem quad. It was 15 feet long for carrying 2 quads, because we have goofy laws here that if you have a tandem axle you automatically got to get safety checks and all this other crap to deal with, so I didn't want to deal with that. So I made it single axle, plus I put a big axle in it, big tires, and that was to tow around those 2 quads there. It was no big deal. It worked real nice. It's sitting out in storage. So this is what we're doing. This is what we're doing during the COVID-19 or coronavirus, whatever you want. This is what we're doing during the apocalypse. I call it apocalypse. I don't think it really is, but that's what we're doing. I don't know what anybody else is doing. We're trying to keep busy, and we will be building some more rabbit stuff. I'll give you a video of that tomorrow. Junk's starting to pile up. Everything's shut down. We can't do anything. So I thought, well, why not clean up all the scrap steel we have laying around, build a trailer, and we'll be busy once everything goes back to normal. So if you have any questions about building trailers, I built quite a few of them now. I think that's going to be my retirement plan, is to make trailers. I have a tendency to overbuild them, which I guess is better than underbuilding them, because you won't get this quality at Home Depot or, you know, one of those kind of retailers. This is custom made. I do custom trailers to what you need. Build them tough. Something like this would be like an ideal farm trailer. You put bigger tires on it. So that just gives you an idea. It gives you an idea of what what we like to do in the off time. We're not playing with the rabbits. I'll do another rabbit update video because things are working really good in there. The new rabbits, they're out of the box, so we'll get to show you a video of them. Anyway, like I said, if you wanted any more detail on the trailer, let me know. I can do a quick video before we get covered up. And just real quickly, what you guys might be thinking is, why these little pieces here? These pieces here, because it's a 48-inch on center axle. So to get these rails moved out, I had to add these so that you can see here, the spring hanger is halfway on the main frame and halfway on there. This does work. It's a good setup. It's not fully welded in yet. We're not done with the welding. We're still going. We're going to put angle iron in all the way around to support the plywood. And because it's plywood, I'm going to throw in some 2x2 by 1/8 angle to cross over to pick up some of the just reduce the sag out of the wood. Normally I use 5/4 board for deck or something thicker, but the plywood's here and I have no use for a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood, so I thought I'd get rid of it. Sorry about the fan noise. That's the welding machine. That's the Lincoln Power MIG 255. It's got a fan in it and good welder, but a little bit noisy when you're trying to talk. Anyway, please don't forget to subscribe if you're interested to seeing us do different projects. If you like the trailer, let me know. Because yeah, this is what we do. So like I said, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see if I can get some more content up for you. Everybody stay safe and keep your distance. Remember that social distancing. Let's not spread this coronavirus around too much. We'll see you soon.